Good morning, students. Welcome to the session of virtual classes. How are you? I hope you all are fit and fine and studying well at your home. Students, today I Renu Tyagi, your computer teacher, going to continue lesson number 7, Introduction to MS PowerPoint 2016. Students, some topics of this chapter we have completed already and some we will complete in this class. Our today's topic is how to write text in two columns. To use two columns for text, we have to follow some steps. Steps to use two column text are: first of all, students, we have to click on Home tab. All of you know where is Home tab in the computer. Next step which you have to follow, that is click the new slide button in the slide group. Means you have to go to the slide group, and in this group click on new slide button. As you click on new slide button, the office theme dialog box appear on the screen. Okay, from that box you have to click on to content layout. Click to content layout from appeared dialog box. Now in this layout you have to enter the text. You can see these steps in your book also. From there it will become more clear. See students, what you have to do. You have to click on Home tab. Beta, this is Home tab. Here you have to click. As you click here, you get this ribbon. In this ribbon, you have to find out the slides group. Students, here it is slides group. In this group, you have to click on new slide button. This is the new slide button here. As you will click here, you get the office theme dialog box. This is the office theme dialog box. In this dialog box you have to click on to content layout. This is the to content layout. Okay students, and then this will appear on your screen like this way, and now in this you have to start to enter the text. It will look like this after entering the text. Next topic is changing text in slides. Means you have created the slides and now you want to add the text in it. How will you do? First of all, you have to place your mouse pointer where you would like to add text. Means place your mouse pointer at the place where text has to be added. Clear to you? After it, type the information. Means type the text which you want to add. These steps are for adding the text in the slide. Now I am going to tell you how to change the text in the slide. So steps 2, change text in the slide are, first of all, you have to select the text which you want to change. Select the text, okay, which you want to change. And after selecting the text, what you have to do? You have to type the new text. Better to change the text, you can also delete old text by using the backspace key, or you can also use the delete key to delete the highlighted text. Okay, these steps are here. Select the text you want to change. Means if you want to change this text, you have to select first of all it, and after it you have to type the new text. क्लियर. यू कैन यूज़ द बैक स्पेस की टू डिलीट द टेक्स्ट. आप ये सिलेक्ट करने की जगह बैक स्पेस की का भी यूज कर सकते हैं टेक्स्ट को डिलीट करने के लिए. कैसे बैक स्पेस की का यूज़ करते हैं टेक्स्ट को डिलीट करने के लिए? सपोज दिस टेक्स्ट वी वांट टू डिलीट. ओके, सो फर्स्ट वी नीड टू प्लेस आवर कर्सर एट द बैक ऑफ द text. Means here we have to click. As our cursor appears at this place, we will press the backspace key from the keyboard. Then this text will be deleted. Right? Or you can also use the delete key from the keyboard. कैसे use करेंगे? First, you have to highlight the text. Okay, highlight the text means you have to select the text, and after that press the delete key from the keyboard. Selected text will be deleted from the slide. Now next topic is here, changing font size. How will you change the font size? Students, there are two ways to change the font size of the text. What you have to do? First of all, you have to select the text. And then click the drop down arrow next to the font size button. Click drop down arrow next to the font size बटन. ड्रॉप डाउन एरो कैसा होता है? जहाँ पे फॉन्ट साइज लिखा होगा उसके साथ में एक इस टाइप का ट्राइंगल बना हुआ होता है. दिस इज कॉल्ड ड्रॉप डाउन एरो. ओके, दिस यू हैव टू क्लिक. As we click on this arrow, we get one drop down list. Okay, from that drop down list we have to select the desired font size. Now select the desired font size from drop down arrow. I think these steps are clear to everyone, right? See all these steps here. There are means there we have two ways. One way is this. What you have to do in this list? you have to select the text like this. Okay, and then click on the home tab. Here find out the font group. This is font group, and this is the font size button. Here you have to click. Then you get the list of the size. From that list you have to click on the desired size. Clear to you? Another way is here, click on decrease increase font size button or decrease font size button in the font group to decrease or increase the font size respectively. These buttons can be used to increase or decrease the font size. Next topic is here, changing font case. फॉन्ट केस मीन्स कि किस टाइप का आप टेक्स्ट लिख रहे हैं. कैपिटल लेटर यूज़ कर रहे हैं, स्मॉल लेटर यूज़ कर रहे हैं, या सेंटेंस का फर्स्ट लेटर कैपिटल यूज़ कर रहे हैं, लाइक दिस वे. ओके, हाउ टू चेंज द फॉन्ट केस. Steps to change the font case are first of all, students, you have to select the text. After selecting the text, you have to go to the font group. In the home tab. Here, select the change case drop down arrow. And then select any desired case. Students, here we have 5 cases. In change case, we have 5 cases. One case is here, sentence case. What happen in sentence case? First letter of each sentence will appear in capital letter, like this. Ram is good boy. This is the sentence case. Clear to you? Next case is there, lower case. Lower case. What happen in lower case? All letters of the sentence will appear in small letters like this. Here R is capital and here R is also small. Next one is their uppercase. What happen when we work with uppercase? All letters of the sentence will appear in capital letters like this. Next one is capitalize each word. What will happen in this case? First letter of each word will be capital. Like this. Okay. And last one is the toggle case. Toggle case. What happened in toggle case? जो लेटर्स कैपिटल में थे वो स्मॉल हो जाएंगे, जो स्मॉल में थे वो कैपिटल हो जाएंगे। अगर हम इस सेंटेंस की बात करें तो क्या होगा, आर इज कैपिटल बट हेयर आर विल बी स्मॉल एंड रेस्ट ऑफ दीज विल बी कैपिटल। I is capital, here I is small. S is small, here S is capital. Okay, like this. Clear to you? This is the toggle case. Students, I think these cases are clear to everyone. अगर फिर भी आपको कोई डाउट है तो you can clear it in query class. Now see what is your homework. Your today's homework is answer the following in one word. Only these 4 questions you have to do in your fair notebook in neat and clean handwriting with pen. Okay, thank you so much. Have a nice day.